Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, December 12, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, December 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong December 12, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, December 12, 2024. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates for Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, December 12, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, December 12, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.